Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how we can auto synchronize the field updates in Salesforce using the flows. So let's take an example that whenever we update a contact's phone number, then the related contacts of that account will also update their phone or mobile number field. So first let me show you a demo record trigger flow through which I have created a trigger to update the related contact's phone of an account record whenever the phone field of account is updated. So this is the record trigger flow that I have created to update the phone field of related contacts of an account record. And in this first I have added a element to get the contact records, and then I have added a loop element to fetch all the contact records of an account, and then I have used an assignment element to assign the updated phone value to the contact phone, and then using a collection record I have assigned the same value to all the contacts, and at last I have used the update record element to update all the contacts phone field. So I will show you the same in the contact record page also. So for example, I am having account Volkswagen machines, and here I will edit this contacts phone, and as I click on the save button, the same changes will be reflected on the phone field of the contacts. So here in the contacts, this is the phone field you can see, but contact have another field to store the phone number, that is mobile. So you can see this is the same number that I have updated, and all the contact will have the same value that I've entered in the phone field of account record. So as you can see, this contact is also having the same mobile number. So let's see how we can create this record trigger through which you can auto synchronize the field updates. So first I will deactivate the existing record trigger flow, and now I will go back to the flow setup. So here in the flow setup, I will click on the new flow button to create a record trigger flow, and here in the option select the triggered, and here select record trigger flow, and here object will be the account, and here configure trigger will select a record is updated. So whenever account record is updated, this record will trigger. And now we will select the condition requirement. So here I am selecting the condition requirement as when the phone field of account is changed. So for that we have to select account phone is changed equals to true, and here in the section optimize flow select actions and related records. So this condition will make this record trigger after the field is updated or saved, and here I will close it. And now we need to get the related contacts of the account. So for that I will add a get record element and name it as get contacts, and the API name here will be autofilled, and the object here is going to be the contact, and the condition requirement you have to select over here is that is account ID equals to triggering account, and then account ID. So with this the flow will fetch the contacts for the account in which we have updated the fields. And one more thing, that in the get record element, make sure that you have selected all records, because we are going to store the collection of the contacts from the account record. And after this we need to add a loop element. So I'm going to label it as loop in contacts, and the API name here will be autofilled. So the collection variable here will be the contacts from get contacts, and then close it. And now we will create a single record variable that will store the contact that we need to update. So for that, click on the new resource, and here select the resource type as variable, and the API name as where contact update, and the data type here will be record, and here select the object contact. And if you want to debug the flow in the flow builder, you can also select the available for input checkbox so that you can pass the ID of the account, and here click on the done button. And now we will add an assignment element to set the contact fields. So here select assignment, and the label will be set contact fields, and the API name will be autofilled, and the variable here will be where contact to update dot contact ID equals to current item from the loop dot contact ID. And what we need to update here is the phone number, and you can also select any other field that you want to update between the parent to child or child to parent record. So here I will select again where to contact update and the phone. So here it is the phone of contact. So this is the field that we are going to synchronize for the updates, that is mobile phone, and the value will be the recurring account, and then select phone, account phone. So with this, the mobile phone of the contact is mapped to the updated value of the account phone. And now we need to again assign this updated value to the all the contact records of the account. So for that, first we will create a collection variable. Here select the variable, and the API name will be collection contacts to update, and then select the data type as record and object again as contact. And here make sure that you have selected allow multiple values, and then click on done button. And after this, add another assignment element and name it as add contact to collection. So now here we will map collection contacts to update, and here select add, and here select where contacts to update, and here select entire resource. So with this, all the updated values will be assigned to the collection. So taking those values from the collection, we will add an update record element, and here I am going to label it as update contacts. In the API name, here will be autofilled, and here in the section how to find records to update, select use the ID and the all field values, and in the record collection select collection contacts to update. So this collection is having the updated values of the contact phone fields. So with this, our flow is completed, and now I will save this flow. So here the label I am going to give as synchronize contact to account phone, and the field API name here will be autofilled. Here click save, and now to test the flow, first we will activate it. And after saving and activating the flow, I will navigate to the accounts tab, and now in the accounts tab I will select this account, and let's see the flow is working or not. So for that, I will edit this account details, that is the phone field, and I will update it as, and now you will see the same phone field values in the contact mobile phone. Here I will save it. I will go to the contacts, and here open any of the contact, and now you can see the contact mobile number is having the same value that we have updated in the account phone. So this is how you can synchronize the field updates in Salesforce using the record trigger flow. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.